Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can set up a website with Jobber and how the whole process works. So in a moment when you're going to be in Jobber, you're going to click here and you're going to have the marketing, and there you're going to have a website. So there you're just going to write a description for it. I already got it generated, but here you would just so you would see it right here, and you're just going to fill out the details and it's going to edit it for you. And then what you're going to do is that when you're going to be here, you're just gonna scroll down and you have option to switch between the view on a phone or on a PC, and then you're gonna find here also all those changed for you and edit, and you can have also the form here so you can actually share it with others. Now when you're gonna be here and you're gonna have the customization of the website, so first thing first, you have the more actions here where you're gonna have SEO and discovery. And when you're going to click on it, you're going to find here the site title and the description. If you want, you can add it if you don't like this how it is. And if you like the offers expert electrical services, you can have it like it is. Now for the dashboard and for the customization of the website, you're going to have your website address. So this is kind of the website, and what you can do is that you can remove Jobber sites from a website address after publishing, available starting at just $1 a year for Jobber customers. Then you can have a receptionist chat. This is something that you can have enabled or no. So you can have edit your business profile and also review chats and manage settings. So when you're going to edit your business profile, it's going to get more data. Now for more, you're going to have a navigation menu. So you have get an estimate, and then you're going to have a link to form. So this is something the button there is and where it lists to. And then you're going to have the brand colors that you can change if you want also. And then you're going to have things here that you actually see here, the page sections. So for example, here you see the hero. So whatever you see is a page section, okay? So you see right here, when you're going to scroll, you're going to have featured content, and this is the featured content, right? You're going to click featured content and look at that. And you have the image here. So if you want, you can actually edit these. Then you can have navigation menu, so you can adjust the featured link and text, and also the brand colors. And then you're going to have all the things that you actually see here are those things that you actually see here. So here's the form, and then you're going to have FAQ. So if you want, you can click here the FAQ and you just edit it, right? You would just add information there. Or then what you would do is that you're going to take it and you're going to move it, right? So that's something that you can actually do. Then you're going to have the list here, and you're going to have text and image, and you're going to have also the cards, featured content. So that's something that you're going to have. And then what you can do, you can take a list, let's say, and you can remove it if you would like click here and remove, and we don't have it there anymore. Now what I can do, I can add more sections. So if I would like, these are the sections that you have automatically added to your website. But if you want, you can add more, right? And here you can just play around and see what are the things that you want to actually add or no. So let's say that we just add the image library. I can add featured content, or I can have cards here, and automatically I'm going to have cards. Now what I can do then, I can take it and I can take the cards and move them, right? So that's something that you can do. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.